In the existing market, the premium for personal accident insurance are normally burned. If the premium is 300 a year, you will burn 3,000 in 10 years and 6,000 in 20 years. Good news, HLA has launched Festive Protect to counter this issue. It can be treated as protection if there's any unfortunate event happen, or it can be treated as part of our savings because all three packages come with guaranteed maturity benefit of 101%, 109% and 119% of the total premium paid throughout the 20 years. The premium for starter package is as low as 2 ringgit 70 cent a day, 82 ringgit 30 cent a month or 988 a year. The plans covers accidental death or TBD coverage of up to 100,000, road accidental death or TBD within Malaysia in private vehicle or public transport during non-festive season coverage of up to 200,000, during festive season coverage of up to 400,000, common benefit of 20,000 which is unusual in the PA plan, and guaranteed maturity benefit after 20 years. You will get back 101% of your total premium paid. We can also opt for optimal package covering up to 1 million or ultimate package covering up to 2 million. Festive seasons are defined as Chinese New Year, day 1 and day 2, Hari Raya Aidilfitri, 2 days, Deepawali, Christmas, including 2 days pre and post of that particular festive season. Mr. So-and-so, which package do you prefer? Starter, optimal or ultimate package?